Dr. Soon Shiong.
Le ndawo izobe iphithizela maduze nje. Udokotela uPatrick Soon Shiong uthi esikhathini esingaphansi konyaka kuzobe sekukhiqizwa izigidi zemigomo kulesikhungo. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthe ukubhedwa kwe-COVID-19 kuveze ukuthi kusanegebe elikhulu phakathi kwamazwe omhlaba ngakwezempilo.
The challenge of access to vaccines was demonstrated manifold as we struggled right at the beginning of the vaccine availability challenge to access those vaccines when the Western world was hoarding those vaccines.
Kepha uthi lesikhathi siphinde sakhombisa ukuthi lelizwekazi linezobuchwepheshe kanye nezesayensi eyiseqophelweni eliphezulu.
South Africa supports vaccine manufacturing in Africa to ensure that we become self-sufficient as a continent, that we shared those colonial chains that have always bound us. We shared them and become self-reliant. And today, it's a demonstration of how we are moving forward to being self-reliant as a continent.
Soon Shiong nozinze kwelasemelika uthi ukucwaswa kweAfrika endleleni yokusatshalaliswa ngayo imigomo ye-COVID-19 yikona okugqugquzele ukuthi yaqhamuke nalolu hlelo lokubambisana namazwe ase-Afrika.
So the first generation vaccine was absolutely not a waste of time. However, we needed to, in parallel, I believe, have focused on the second generation vaccine so that we're there to stop the transmission. But again, with the leadership of the President and the ministers and SAPRA, I think we can actually leapfrog that opportunity from this facility.
Ukwakhiwa kwalesikhungo kuzoqala maduze kanti kulindeleke ukuba sikhiqize imishanguzo nemigomo yokulwa nezifo ezifana nomdlavuza, isifo sofuba, isandulela ngculazi nengculazi uqobo.